Hey guys, Peanut here, just bring you guys a tutorial how to make a simple YouTube background. And yeah, so here it is. So first off, gonna go File, Open. I'm just gonna use a normal YouTube template that I got from the AKGFX pack. I put a link to the description for the download of this template. Then double click on background once it's open. Then it would say layer 0 in the name section. Just click OK. Then over here you can see yellow on my gradient area. This will be the color of it. You can change that to any color that you want. I'm just using yellow because it's usually my main color. So click on the gradient tool, which is found on the eraser tool. You can just click G for a shortcut. Then you click like somewhere near the middle. Then hold down shift and move to the side. And that's what I will do. It will come out like this. Then click on channel sections, double click on that. Then you can start messing about with these if you want, but I'm going to put drop shadow in a shadow, out glow in a glow, bevel and bass, contour, and then a stroke. And I'm going to drag that into there. And then I'm going to make a new layer for my texture. And where I get my textures from, I just use I got from this 8K pack, GFX pack. So if you want some textures, because I've got quite a lot here, so you can just type in YouTube texture pack for Photoshop, and they'll just come up. I'm gonna use background level by Freeman. When that opens, click Control A, Control C, just do a highlight over it, then click paste, then you can copy it. And once you do that, press Control V, then drag up to the top so it covers it. Then go where normal is, click in the arrow, then click Screen, then press Control T, then hold down Shift, then drag it down. Click the mouse tool, click Apply, and then press Control U, click Colorize, put that to yellow. You can drag this about so you can have it wherever you like. That looks kinda weird. So go back on the sections, double click on that, click on color overlay, just put a color just for, then put any color you want. So there's a whole lot of colors here. Just gotta put yellow, darken it a bit, melted yellow kind of. What do I do? I'll just click the X. Just go on the color overlay, choose any color that you want, darken it a bit, click OK, then click OK. So it will be like that. So I'm going to use some of the R12 for my background and for the 3D text, because every time I record with R13, Camtasia always crashes for some reason. I've got R13 open here. This is like the third time me recording this. Twice before I was using R13, but it always crashed. So R13 is down the bottom. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'll just open it just to let you know that I do have it. Yeah, I did start using it, but it just went dodgy on me, so I'm gonna use R12. So you just click MoGraph. Actually, no, before that, just change the render settings to whatever you want. So width 1280, height 720, resolution to about 100. And click the save, change the format to PNG, then click alpha channel. Then for this, you just click that. I'm going to save it to my text designs folder and click name it tutorial text, save that, go to anti-aliasing, change the geometry to best, max level 2x2, effect ambient occlusion, and we're all good to go. So you click mode graph, the mode text, change the text just to, I'm going to put tutorial. You guys can use anything that you want. I'm going to click the line to the middle, change the depth to about 80, go to caps, start fillet cap, end fillet cap, and then click on mode text, press Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Change the radius of this to about 10. Move the camera angle. Wait, before that, go back on mode text point 1, click object, change the depth to 40. I'm going to go back, go on the camera angle, look above the tutorial text, drag it to about the middle. Move the camera angle so you're looking at the text. So now I'm going to change my font. So to change both of them at the same time, just click mode text, hold down shift, click mode text point 1, then go on font. Then change to whatever you want. I'm going to use just a basic text. I'll probably use Xyrod. And that's a bit big. Go back on font. Don't mess with Vikings. Yeah, there we go. Just a normal small text that you can use. You can use any font that you want. I'm just going to use this. Then to make a new material, you can either go on File, then click New Material, or you can just double click in the Materials area and click on Matte. Change the color to about any color you want. I'm going to use yellow. Then you can click Reflection, make sure that's checked off. Then change the texture to Fresnel. Then we'll change my brightness to 30%. And my mix strength to 30%. You can use any other settings you want here, but I'm just going to use this, just keep it basic. Now you drag that onto mode text. Then you do the exact same settings that you did on here with, but make it black. Click on reflection. For now, put 30%. I forgot to put the blurriness. I'll put blurriness to like 3%. Go back on this one, change the blurriness up. Drag the black onto mode text point 1, and you can see it'll be here. And you can just put like a simple light. So make sure you're on the, turn it a bit, on the blue arrow, drag it back, then drag it up a bit, not too far in. So just keep it like that. Zoom in a bit, just change the camera angle to wherever you like. So yeah, so once that's done, once you're happy with the settings, you can just click render, which is this middle button. See, the text is rendering. This might take a bit, my laptop's running a bit slow, so I'll continue the tutorial once it's finished rendering.